So one of my professors in particular, her name's Melissa. I had her my first semester of sophomore year, and I had her this semester as well. And she is very understanding of like family circumstances. And I actually had like a family situation go down this semester where I was not able to complete an assignment on time. I kind of mixed up the time that was supposed to be completed, and I went and I just talked to her about it and just asked if I was able to just turn it in that evening, and she was very understanding about it. She told me to just take the day for myself and just kind of have like the personal time on my own, and then even just allowed to like just talk with me and asked me about like what was going on and reassured me that I could always go and talk to her. And I know that she really does like care about me personally than just being like a student in her classroom.